Jon Karl, who has been tracking the votes. And a reality check, Jon Karl, does he have them?
Not yet, Diane. This is as close as it gets. Here's where we are right now. Democratic vote counters tell me that they have 212 members who are either yes or leaning yes. We have counted 212 who are either no or leaning no, and that means we are within 4 votes of either victory or defeat for health care reform, and this after a furious day of targeting those few Democrats that remain able to convince one way or the other.
On Capitol Hill, a furious effort aimed at this small group of Democrats, giving them moments in the sun like few of them have ever seen. At 11 this morning, a swarm of cameras came to see one of those undecideds move to yes.
Yes, I will be voting yes for the bill.
The president lobbied John Boccieri hard, but it's a tough vote. His district is solidly Republican and went for John McCain in 2008.
A lot of people are telling me this decision could cost me my job.
We also caught up today with undecided Democrat Nick Rahall. He's one of several concerned the bill doesn't do enough to restrict abortion funding.
I cannot, at this point in time, honestly give you a straight yes or no answer. I cannot do it.
But House Speaker Pelosi said she's done negotiating on that issue.
If you don't want federal funding and you want the status quo for abortion access and you want to pass a health care bill, this is it.
What all these undecideds have in common is intense pressure from the White House, Democratic leaders, and interest groups. The phone calls just keep coming.
We have our list of undecided members of Congress, but just try calling them, any one of them. That's what you're going to hear.
Perhaps the most powerful personal story belongs to Pennsylvania's Kathy Dahlkemper. Her father died of leukemia in February, and her mother died just 2 weeks ago. And now she finds herself among the undecided Democrats targeted by this ad.
If you find a lump, you could wait months for treatment, and life-saving drugs can be restricted.
She says the group that made the ad is wrong and takes it personally.
So for these ads to come out and somehow say that I'm soft on cancer after having just lost 2 parents within the last 6 weeks from cancer, and with having the record I have really for supporting wellness, to me is wrong.
Congresswoman Dahlkemper tells us tonight that she is still undecided. But Diane, even for those today who made up their mind, this is not over. They are under attack from one side or the other back home in their districts.
John, what about the Republicans in this final 48 hours?
Well, they're making a stand here, getting ready for a battle in the Senate, because remember, that list of changes that the House is making still has to be passed in the Senate, and Republicans are saying that they've got what it takes to at least force changes to their changes, so this is not over yet.
Changes to their changes. Okay.
That's right. Get ready for more.
Okay.